Hi, my name is Leo. Today I want to talk about how we treat our friends. I like playing with my friends at school. Let's play with the blocks. Oh no, my friend took the block I wanted. You can have it after, Leo. I feel angry inside. My hands feel tight. Should I hit my friend? No, hitting is not kind. I use my words. I say, please don't take my block. Oh, I'm sorry.
Good job using your words, Leo.
Thank you, that feels better. Let's share the blocks. Okay, let's build together. Hitting hurts feelings. Talking helps fix problems. So, should we hit friends? No! We use kind hands and kind words. Friends are for caring, not hurting. Use words, not hands.